Hello, my name is Robel Abraha, and now we are going to write a code through Python calculating this one. so uh, the original price here is 100. So 100. So now we are going to find the price after increase by 20% and the price after decrease by 20% of the increased price, and also the difference, which is from the original price and also from the price after decrease. So let's start our code. Okay, so first our original price is equal to 100, but we have to write it here float. Okay, and percentage is equal to 20, so we can add this one as a comment, percent. So to calculate the percentage, we need to let's do equal to original price times, in the bracket, 20, which when we convert 20% to a number, we need to do we have to divide it by 100. Sorry. So if we run our program, it will give us the percentage 20. Let's try it. Oh, we didn't give it output. Print increase percentage. If we run our program, it will give us 20. Okay, then now we are going to find increase price. Increase price is original price plus increase percentage. So float original price plus increase percentage. So let's run our program. It will first you have to write the output, print increase price. $120. Okay, so now we are also going to find and write the code for the decreased price by 20% of the increased price. First we have to find the decreased percentage. Percentage is equals to increase price float increase price times 20 divided by 100. So here it will give us the decreased percentage of the increased price. If we run our program, let's give it output. Yeah, decrease percentage, it should be less 24. So the decreased price of the original the increased price by 20% gonna be 24. Okay, so let's calculate the decrease price. Decrease price equal to uh, the increase price minus decrease percentage. So if we print this one, decrease price, it should be 90 something. Yeah, 96. So the final one is the difference. I think our equation is, yeah, the difference of which one, uh, after the increase price and after the decrease price. So our uh, what do we call, the difference should be the decrease price minus the original price. This is equal to float original price minus decrease price. So if we print this one, differences, it should be 4. Okay, 4. So now let's rearrange our code. Okay. Let's print. Let's follow the instruction, the original price. Okay. Oh, sorry, we need a here the apostrophe and close apostrophe. Let's do it here, a colon, original price, print. We have to let's see our second, the price after increase, the price after increase price, okay. Print decrease price, the after decrease price. Print finally the difference. Yes. So let's oh yeah, we forget here a comma. Okay, so original price is 100 and the price after increase is 120, the price after decrease is 96 and the difference is 4, which is from the decreased price from the original price. So this is how it look, calculating the percentage of increased price, decreased price, and the difference from the original price. So thank you. Don't forget to like, comment. Yeah.